In 1855 of Gita, Krishna is telling how to understand him. Bhaktya mam abhijananti yavan yash chasmi tatvataham tato mam tatvato gyatva vishate tad anantaram. Krishna is saying one can understand me by bhakti, only by bhakti. Bhakti mam abhijananti. Janati, one can completely know me, mam, by bhakti. And when one is in full consciousness by such devotion, yavan yash chasmi tattvataha, he can come to the spiritual world. So here in this verse, Krishna is telling, I can be known in truth and tattva, the Krishna, Bhagavad tattva, Kala tattva, all the Gita tattvas, Jiva tattva, Prakriti tattva, Kala tattva, Karma tattva, all these tattvas and spiritual truths can be understood by devotion, by bhakti. So Shukadeva is a great devotee of the Lord, and so is Vyasadeva. Of course Vyasadeva also, but also Lord Shiva. So I don't have any commentaries. There's no real commentaries on Chaitanya Charitamrita. Of course, there's some commentary here referred to Prabhupada's. I don't have it in front of me. But there is a commentary by Prabhupada. But the basic idea is that you can get, in other words, if I have the Bhagavatam and I have all the 11 tikas of the different acharyas in Hindi, and I have all the tikas, and I have vast intelligence, I have so much intelligence and so many commentaries, and I study the Bhagavatam, I may not understand what it means. As I said with Gita, so many Advaitins and Brahmavadis, Mayavadis, they speak on the Bhagavatam, and they're very powerful and famous speakers even in India that are not Vaishnavas at all, not Bhaktas at all. So the conclusion and the impact that they have on the audience, it's not a devotional conclusion, which is the meaning of the Bhagavatam, and it's not bringing one to prema, dharma, or the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. It's bringing them to Brahman. So in order to really understand the Bhagavatam, even if you have all the commentaries and have all kinds of intelligence, you have to surrender to Guru. And Guru gives bhakti. You have intelligence, God-given intelligence, and you can read Hindi or Sanskrit. So all the tikas are available to you. But he says, na buddhya na chataki, na buddhi na tika. So not by commentaries or intelligence, but by bhakti. Navetiva bhaktya bhagavatam grayam. He says you have to accept, he said the bhagavatam grayam, bhaktya bhagavatam grayam. The bhagavatam can be accepted by bhakti.